You know, today I really gotta wash my hair. This is May Lockenbox. It arrived today and they updated their whole packaging. In May, you actually get a limited edition pink box, which is hella cute. It all comes in this white box, which is kind of hard to get into. And then you just slide out the Lockenbox itself. Honestly, the new design is gorgeous. And I love the box. I'm definitely gonna be reusing the box for something. And this month, we have the Think Pink collection with Eden Bodyworks and Ecoslay. I have tried several products from Ecoslay. I've never heard of Eden Bodyworks, so I'm excited. I'm very excited. And in this box, of course, as always, you get the little leaflet where you have the brand information and you get the product information both in German and in English, including, you know, the prices, how to use the product, and what's in it. And next we have the products themselves. In this box, you get 4 products in total. I do believe that all of these are full-sized. So first product we have is the Eden Bodyworks Curl Hydration Shampoo, which is a hydrating shampoo for curly hair. All the Eden Bodyworks products are from their Hibiscus Honey range, so they smell amazing and they also look amazing. Look at how aesthetically pleasing this is. Oh my god, I love these already. Yeah, so the shampoo is supposed to be mostly hydrating, so you have some nice ingredients in there like glycerin, you get aloe, you get hibiscus, you get honey, which is also, you know, great humectant, and it's also safe to use on color-treated hair, which is always good to know because not all shampoos are made that way. Then you get the Eden Bodyworks Curl Hydration Conditioner. I love that it comes with a pump. And this one is also supposed to be hydrating, but it also contains protein, which I'm a big fan of. So we have a little combo with like that, you know, moisture protein balance. This conditioner is supposed to strengthen, detangle, and protect the hair, boost the curls, tame frizz, and enhance natural softness, which is great. That sounds amazing. It contains shea butter, it contains coconut oil, you have glycerin, again the hibiscus, aloe, honey. So it's going to be probably quite a heavy formula, which I don't necessarily mind. It's probably going to be one of those conditioners that can be used by itself and you don't really need a mask. And I have high porosity hair, so I cannot wait to see. The third product we have is the Eden Bodyworks Hair Tonic. It says liquid vitamin. So this is basically like a nutrient spray for your hair and you can pretty much use it daily. Okay, so you can use this as like a leave-in conditioner pretty much to add hydration to the hair, or you can use it to refresh, you know, revive the curls. No protein. Okay, so this one is also protein free. And it looks very like liquidy. Oh my god, this smells so good. And then we have a styler, which I already own. So I'm gonna grab mine and this is gonna be going to my sister. But this is the Ecoslay Jello Shot. You know, Ecoslay has their orange marmalade, which is a super famous gel, and I do like it myself. But Jello Shot, I think, is newer. Contains aloe vera, okra extract, pectin, chamomile, bunch of other stuff, and there is no protein in this. So this is a protein-free gel. I have used this before and I know it has a very strong hold, and little goes quite a long way. It's huge. This is 8 ounces of gel. It's awesome. You get a lot of product. We have like the base routine done. For the washing, I think I'm gonna use the shampoo and the conditioner. Then I will use the leave-in and I'll probably maybe add like a styling serum or a mousse. But those are all the products. So the value of this box is 72 euros and you actually pay like 31. So you get a lot of stuff for your money. So before we go into it and wash my hair, I wanted to try the hair tonic on itself as a refresher because I never really do refreshes. They don't work for me well because my hair usually gets super frizzy and it doesn't even look any better. So I'm gonna try and use this for my refresh today. Okay, I get, oh my god. I hate doing this, why am I doing it? Ugh. Oof. It feels a tiny bit sticky when it starts to dry. Yeah, this is not the way I think. I'm just another refresh person. I knew this was gonna suck. Yeah, maybe it's, you know, maybe my hair is just a little bit too oily to be trying a refresh because it's unsalvageable at this point. I'm terrible at refreshes. Leave your refresh tips down below because I frankly need them. and I'm gonna take my pretty box. We're gonna go wash this mess. Hello. So as you can see, it's much later in the day right now. I managed to wash my hair, diffuse it, and you know, I just scrunched out the crunch with a little bit of oil. And this is our finished result. We can see parts that are a little bit iffy, right? Like this front bit. So overall, let's talk about the product first, and then we're gonna talk about the finished result. I would say that this Lockenbox is one of the best ones I've tried, to be quite honest, and I'm thrilled about these products. I think they're really, really, really nice. I'm super happy I know about the Eden Bodyworks now. I'm gonna scooch over so we can insert the clip as always. Now, the first product I used was the Curl Hydration Shampoo. I have to say I was very happy with it. It lathers amazingly and it's not like super thick. My scalp felt very clean. I washed my hair twice because you know, a couple washes after my clarifying, so I usually like to wash twice. My hair didn't feel too stripped or too dry or anything, and the scent, oh my god. The smell of these is just amazing. I really like how these smell. Then we have the Curl Hydration Conditioner. This conditioner is literally butter. It comes out in stripes. It doesn't come out as like a liquid conditioner. It's very, very thick. I would say if you have very fine hair that is low porosity, maybe it's gonna be a little too heavy for you. Of course, we spoke about it. It has the cocoa butter, it has the shea butter, which are all pretty heavy ingredients. This was like on the border between a mask and a conditioner, which is something I quite enjoy and I quite like when I'm in a hurry, especially. And yeah, it worked really nicely. I detangled my hair pretty much just with my fingers, and then I used the brush anyway because I'm just used to using the brush and I do it for the volume. So this is also very, very nice. I totally understand why this has a pump. If you have very dry or very thirsty or damaged hair, this is gonna be amazing. And the fact that it has protein and it's this moisturizing is just making me so happy because this is exactly the type of product my hair needs. And next we continued with a hair tonic. I'm not sure yet how I feel about it fully because it always takes me a minute to try out styling products and products like this. It is a little bit sticky. I used it as my leave-in conditioner. I sprayed it all over my hair, then I scrunched it in a little bit, and it worked really nicely. In terms of definition, my hair was clumping together very nicely after I used it, so it does feel a tiny bit kind of sticky and almost like gritty in the hair. I don't know how to explain it, but I have similar sprays with similar texture and they usually give me great volume. You know, I mean, the result kind of speaks for itself, so I would say this is a hit, but I'll have to keep testing it a little bit more. Then I went in with my regular Dippity Doo Girls with Curls curl cream, and then I used my main choice Pink Lemonade Coconut Mousse because those are products I use all the time. I know how they work. I wanted to kind of balance it, so I went for a cream with protein and I went for a very hydrating mousse. And then we went in with a Jello shot. This is mine. This is the one that's actually mine. The first time I used this, I overdid it incredibly. I had crunchy roots for days. So today I was like, okay, I know what you can do. I know what you're capable of. So let's go easy. And I went easy and I applied way less than I did the last time. Even though not all of my hair was like really coated with a gel, like in the back I didn't get as much crunch. It felt much better because my hair wasn't immediately like super sticky. This is one of those like very sticky, very thick gels. So you want to go easy on it. You want to go careful. You don't need a lot at all. No, you need just a tiny bit and it's gonna work perfectly fine. I have a little bit of crunchy roots right here. This is a super nice gel. It has very strong hold. I really like it. Looking at my hair, honestly, it feels amazing. What is like the sweet spot for me is when I have super moisturized hair and I have enough protein to create the definition, and then I have enough hold in my gel to hold the definition. But the thing I like the most is the volume. I use the clips, I use foams every time I wash my hair. Okay, I style it upside down. I comb the hair with a conditioner out from my scalp. So I do as much as I can in terms of volume, but this, it's puffy, it's huge, it's beautiful, and it has a lot of movement. This looks incredible, and I'm so happy with it. But considering the fact that I seriously need a haircut, I am super impressed with these products. Yeah, so the overall verdict on these is a big yes. Thank you so much, Lockenbox, for getting American brands on board. So yeah, that was it. That was the May Lockenbox. Thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing, and if you want to see more videos, you can check out my Lockenbox playlist. Bye!